what we can do to make it easier is we can do it mirrored. So I'll face you and I'll do this direction for me, which is counterclockwise, but it'll be clockwise for you. And when I'm doing my left hand, you can do your right hand. And when I'm doing my right hand, you can do your left hand. Bottom, cross, top, home side. Bottom, cross, top, home side. Bottom, cross, top, home side. Cross, top, home side. We'll do bottom, now cross, and hold it there. Yes. And make sure you're doing it not this way, but this way, where you're going across your body as opposed to reaching this way, if that makes sense. So you want it tighter to your body. Then we're going to go up, holding it there, and then out to the side here. Now come down. Now, going up should be relatively easy. Let's do it in two parts, or we'll do the 4 petals in the 2 parts, where you go out and up. Yes, and that should be just like your overhand anti-spin, but only on the side. And now we're going to do this, which is like your underhand anti-spin, to come back down. Right, so here, out and down. Let's go out and up, hold it there, and then out and down. Good, out and up, and out and down. Out and up, out and down, and out and up, and out and down. Do your right hand, which is my left hand. You'll be going in clockwise, I'm in anti-clockwise. So we'll do the 4 positions again. So we'll go down, out on the home side, up, and then out on the away side, and then back down. So down, out, up, cross and away, and down, out, up, away, and down, out, up, away, and down. Okay, now we'll do again 2 positions. So we'll go out and up and hold, and then out and down. Want to make sure that when you're coming from here to there, it goes out and down in one thing. Just like if you were doing the underhand on your side here from the cap, right? So we'll go out and up, and then out and down, out and up, and out and down, out and up, out and down, out and up, and out and down. Now let's switch back to your left hand. Now what I want to do is I want to go across the top. So starting on the away side, go up and over. Yes. And then down and over. Yes. Up and over. Okay, and down and over. Up and over. 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 And down and over. So remember to shoot for it going down further on, like when you go up and over, shoot for it going more horizontal. Here we're going to go up and over, and down and over. Up and over, down and home. 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 So cross your left hand. Here we go. Up and over, and down and over, and up and home, down and over, up and home, up and over. You're in clockwise, I'm in anti-clockwise, I'm mirroring you. We're going to go out to your right, Then we're going to go up. Then we're going to go to the left side. And then we're going to come down. And then just as a reminder when you're doing this, when you go to your right side, your left poi is going to be in front. Then when you go up, they're going to change orientations when they get to the other side so that your other poi is in front. And then come back home and they're going to change orientations again. From the bottom, out to the side, up top, to the other side, down bottom, to the side, to the top, to the other side, to the bottom. Okay, now we're going to try it like a cap. We're going to go get it in nice, solid together time. We'll go out and up, and then out and down. Yeah, out and up, out and down, out and up, out and down, out and up, out and down. Okay, now let's try all 4 positions. And 5, 6, 7, and out, up, out, down. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. Out, up, out, down. 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 5, 6, 7, go. Reach up, reach 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 down. 5, 6, twice now, and go. Reach up, reach down, reach up, reach down. Woo!